Hello everyone, welcome back to the OriginPro complete course. In today's lesson, we will learn one of the most important skill in OriginPro. How to import Excel data file in OriginPro. The most of the researchers, students and scientists store their data in Microsoft Excel before analyzing it. Therefore, knowing how to correctly import Excel file in OriginPro is essential for the creating the graphs, performing statistical analysis and generating publications quality results. By end of this video, you will learn how to import Excel file, a different method of importing the data in Excel file, how to OriginPro handle the Excel worksheet, importing the specific the sheet, managing import the data and common import problems and solutions. So why import Excel data file in OriginPro? Excel is commonly used for the data collections, recording observations, laboratory measurements, survey data, experimental research. However, Excel has limitations for the scientific analysis, but the OriginPro provide the advanced graphing, statistical analysis, curve fitting, peak analysis, signal processing. So therefore, import the Excel data file in OriginPro is often the first step is a scientific data analysis. So the Excel file import for the single sheet and multiple sheet type. So the first one for the single sheet, they created the Excel file. So I already created this is for the multiple sheet and this is for the single sheet file. So the sheet 1 only for the plant growth data, day and the plant height. This data file, simple method import to the OriginPro. So first method for the track and trap method. So the correct locations file track the Excel file trap to the OriginPro workspace. So this is a method imported for the simple method in the OriginPro, the Excel file trap and track method, and another one method for the tool, the options for the tool above the OriginPro software, import the Excel file. So click the options, then open our locations, then click to the plant growth data. Click to open and the select for the sheet 1 because I choose for the single file only. So the single sheet only. So select the single sheet or the log name for the plant growth data. So this is the data. First for the log name, the day and the plant height, and the next for the no unit column and the command from the options. Then the variable add to the columns. So the data, click to the OK button. Now the import the another one method in the plant growth data Excel file in OriginPro. Now the import for the multiple file options. So this is for the multiple file. So this is for the multiple file, the sample ID, the total of the 20 samples and the treatment for the treatment A and the treatment B and the plant growth. Then the next one sheet for the separated for the treatment A only the data, and sheet 3 for the treatment only the B data, and the last one for the summary data. The multiple sheet imported for the multiple sheet options in the OriginPro. So the close the file and open the new file. Okay, now go to the Excel import options. Click to the multiple sheet, then open. Okay, now the selected for the Excel sheet in the raw data selected, and the column name for the 1 and the column name for the sample ID, treatment and the growth of the plant centimeter, and the no unit and the command format. So then click to the OK button. Now the only view on the raw data file. then the your left side of the window, C for the treatment A, B and summary data is a hind options. Then selected for the treatment A and right click on your mouse, connect as a new sheet. So now created for the new one sheet. This is a raw data and this is a treatment A. Then next for the treatment B and right click on your mouse, then connect for as a new sheet, then created for the treatment B and same also method and summary statistics. So the 4 sheet, the multiple sheet options imported in the raw data, treatment A, treatment B and the summary statistics, and the single sheet method and the multiple sheet method imported in the OriginPro software. And one of the important large Excel file import in the Origin Studio. Sometimes the data set containing the thousands of the rows. The OriginPro can handle the large data set efficiency. Some tips for the large Excel file importing in the OriginPro: the remove for the remove for the unnecessary blank rows, and remove for the merge cells, and keep variable name in the first row, and the use the clean column heading. This is for the most important. And another for the common import problem in the OriginPro, the first one for the numbers imported as the text. The solution for this problem: check the Excel file formatting before the imported and the missing column names. The solution for this problem: ensure the handle are present in the first row, and the third one for the blank row imported. The solutions for this blank row: the remove for the unnecessary empty row from this Excel file, and the merge cell causing the error. The solution of this merge cell: the avoid the merge cells whenever the possibles, and the wrong x and the y assignments. The solutions for the manually ascending the column designing for the after importing. So now the after importing the treatment of the raw data, the sample id is a x and the treatment y and the growth is a y. Now the change for the xy options in the treatment, because the sample id is a x column and another for the treatment also for the x column in the independent. So this columns change to the x. So right click on the mouse, set as and change to the x. Now for the two x column and the y column, because this is the method of the creating the graph. Now I create the examples one graph. The select for the x2 and the y2 for the treatment and the growth. For the plant, go to the plant menu and create the line graphs. So simple method creating the graphs, because the easy method, the treatment is a and the growth is a y columns. So and any doubt on this importing for the single sheet and multiple sheet the Excel file in OriginPro, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscribe for our channel and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video. You see in the next video for the OriginPro completed course. Thank you for watching this video.